there's this flow of energy. Disconnect from the process of getting it to the supermarket shelf. So the process from when food comes to me, from the very beginning, I go right back to the seed. Right back to the seed, to the soil, to the watering, to the maintaining, to the harvesting, to the storing, to the truck driver, to all the things, to the guy that puts it on the shelf, to the chick that sells it to me at the cash register. Like, there's this flow of energy that we sometimes stand in a supermarket and we pick on, oh, that broccoli's not great. But we disconnect from the process of getting it to the supermarket shelf. And then what's lovely is teaching someone and really inspiring them to really go back to the process of it. And when you go back to the process of it, and then we take it home and we really understand it, and we pick that broccoli from the supermarket shelf, and it is firm and it is green and the leaves are, poking out, they're lovely and everything's good and it's not mouldy down here. That's a turn on, that knowledge. I'm grateful for that knowledge, actually. It is a turn on.